We design a curriculum that's very industry relevant, right? So a lot of the industry keep talking about deep learning, they keep talking about reinforced learning, TensorFlow, Keras, right? Those are tools that if the students graduate today, right, they will be able to apply for a job based on that skills, right? The industry have been looking for that. And it's a different way of doing computer vision and machine learning together, right, on a affordable platform way, right? So they basically can have access to something that they will be able to afford, buy it, take it home, and continue have their own deep learning lab for about $200. Yeah, so we divide the class in about 3 parts. Number one, we have the lectures, and we have industry lectures also that's relevant, right, that we get in, of course, in autonomous vehicles. And we give them the basic tools that they can do an autonomous car indoor, and then we go from outside track. That's about 1/3 of the class, and then somewhere between half or 2/3 of the class is about the project. It's a hands-on. Each of the 7 teams have a $100 budget to improve their current car. But that budget is shared between the groups, right? The whole company, we have a virtual company, have $700, 7 groups, each get $100. The whole point for this class is that we're trying to do a robot that between the perception and the computer system is about $80, a little bit less than that. But some of the students, well, I would like to have 2 cameras, or I would like to try a LiDAR, right? Or I would like to have some laser range for obstacle avoidance, right? So those are tools, so I would say those are parts that can buy and integrate. And of course, they have to integrate to the hardware, they have to develop the software, they have to document, and they have to present in 3 different project reviews what I'm supposed to be doing, how am I doing, what's the risk, and here's what I claim I have done. And even if it doesn't work, if the team explain why it didn't work, right, and someone can build on that job, they get good grades, right, because it's part of learning it. It is 100% how actually I run my engineers in the industry. This is exactly like this. They have to work together. And then the evaluation is between how I did something, just not what I did it, right? They have a chance to design something, to prove it to work. And if it doesn't work, explain why it didn't work, right? And they get the fundamental of project management. Definitely do a lot of the team working, right? And then they learn how to manage a budget also. So it's open for all different levels of degree, right? And open for all the departments. Most of our students, mechanical and space engineering, the electrical computer engineering, and some of the computer science, right? We have few that come from other departments, but most of them are coming from the MAE and the EC department.